Introduction. Welcome to Learn C++ Programming. Aim of this tutorial is to make learning C++ easy. Unlike many other channels and lectures, this tutorial do not assume you have any prior programming experience. We will teach you everything you need to know as you progress with lots of examples along the way. Whether you are interested in learning C++ as a hobby or for professional development, you are in the right place. It's an entire world of just zeros and ones. I feel safe in it, I can control it, I can dominate it, and it's predictable. So if I get stuck, I only have to debug the code. Tutorial structure. The lesson in this introductory video are aimed at giving you some context around what C++ is, how it came about, how programs work, and what software you need to install to create your own programs. You will even write your own first program. Further videos will explore different parts of the C++ language. In the first video, lesson 1, you will get a broad but shallow overview of many fundamental C++ concepts so we can start writing some simple programs. Further videos will explore those concepts in depth or introduce new concepts. Each video has a theme, with most of the lesson underneath it being generally related to that theme. Progress through the tutorial at a pace that is comfortable for you. Goals. Before we get started, let's cover a few important goals for this tutorial series. First, cover general programming topic as well as C++. We will understand programming topics that are incidental to the language, for example, programming style, common pitfalls, debugging, good-bad programming practices, and testing. Consequently, by the time you finish this tutorial, you may understand how to program in a language, but you might also have picked up bad habits that will come back to bite you later. Don't worry, this tutorial is to make sure that all of these incidental topics are covered along the way, in the sections where it naturally makes sense to discuss them. When you finish, you will not only know how to program in C++, you will know how not to program in C++, which is arguably as important. Second, provide a lot of examples. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Watching is not enough, we must code. This tutorial series will endeavor to provide plenty of clear, concise examples to show the application of concepts you are learning. Third, provide practice programs. The end of many videos will contain some exercises that you can attempt to answer on your own in the comment box. You can compare your solution against ours to see what we did differently, or if you get stuck, how we solved the problem. Exercise solution available on channel's post tab, pin comment. Then you can go back and refocus on the areas you need more work on. Fourth, most importantly, have fun. Programming can be a lot of fun, and if you are not generally having fun, you are not in the right mindset to be programming. Tired or unhappy programmers make mistakes, and debugging code tends to take much longer than writing it correctly in the first place. Often you can save yourself some time by going to bed, getting a good night's sleep, and coming back to a problem in the morning. Getting the most out of this tutorial. As you go through this tutorial, we recommend a number of practices to maximize your learning experience. First, type in the examples by hand. This will help you learn where you commonly make errors, as well as becoming familiar with various diagnostic messages that result from typos. As you enter each line, think about what it does and how it contributes to the overall program. If you encounter anything that you don't understand, that's something to investigate further. Second, as you make mistakes or find bugs in your program, fix them. Try to solve your own problems before asking others for help. Learning how to find and fix errors is a critical skill to successful programming. Don't neglect learning how to use a debugger. We will explain how in a future video. It's a key tool in figuring out where your programs are going wrong. Third, experiment with the examples. Change numbers and text to see what happens. Modify the programs to do additional things. Example, if a program adds 2 numbers, make it add 3 numbers. try to find different ways to break the programs. If a program asks you to enter a number, try entering a letter instead and see what happens. You will learn more by modifying the examples than by simply following them. Fourth, write your own short programs using the concept you have learned. This will reinforce your learning and improve your retention. Question: what should I do if I get stuck on a concept? If you don't understand something or feel stuck, read through the comments. Other viewers may have encountered similar challenges. Watch the next video or two in the series. Your question may be answered there. Use the search engine to see if your question or error message has been addressed elsewhere. Ask an AI to explain something to you. Keep in mind that the information provided by AI may be fully or partially incorrect. Ask your question on a site that is designed for programming Q&A like Stack Overflow. If all else fails, skip the material you don't understand and come back to it later. You may find that something that was hard to understand is easier with the additional knowledge and context provided in the next video. Question: what do I do if I forget what something means? You can again watch the topics you want to revise on this channel. You might also try this glossary of C++ terms provided by Bjorn Strostrup, the creator of C++. Finally, one small request. If you find yourself enjoying this tutorial, please consider clicking on like and subscribe button. Thank you.